Hi, this is Dave Adams with the Emini Trading Professor System. It was a fun day today, but you had to keep an eye on which way the market was moving and then make some educated decisions about when it was going to change directions. All in all, though, it was a lot of fun. I always have fun when I trade. That's my problem. I love it too much. Please read our disclaimer, as there's all sorts of important and pertinent information. Okay, let's have a look at today's chart. It was a pretty fun day to trade. I enjoyed myself. I was actually trading with another student, so I don't guess I should say who it is, but we had a good time, had a lot of laughs. We had some the market reacted at 7:30 kind of poorly. Just some mixed kind of news today. It was some producer prices and stuff. And well, maybe it was consumer prices. I can't remember. Anyway, I remember it was kind of a lukewarm reception that the news got, and the market kind of flopped around a little bit, settled down, and changed direction right here. And we had a fairly extended. It went almost to 11 o'clock from about a 2-hour little rally there. I exited right here first close outside the Bollinger Band. It was, a nice trade. I was trading 3 today. I was going out at 4 ticks, 8 ticks, and 12 ticks. Really showing some more advanced techniques on how to use trailing stops and things like that. First trade started out pretty good. We kind of peaked out here. There's a triple top right there. I ran a Bollinger Band, looking for retracements. It really didn't retrace. It really just went sideways, and everything kind of started to go negative. So I was pretty comfortable with this short. It didn't act like the retracement's usually fairly sharp, and it was nothing like that at all. So I thought, well, perhaps the market's changing directions, and I at the same time I had a trend line and. Kind of looked to see if it retraced back to the trend. It was heading another way, so I took a short here. It was just a regular bracket trade. I was being a little conservative there. This technique I use here is called scaling out of a trade. There's an article in the article base about it. This is another trade I scaled out of. It was short. Again, we just kind of popped through this low of the day, real long bar here, and then everything just started going up. So I wouldn't advise taking this particular trade. I was just feeling a little rambunctious, so I did, and I thought it was an educated guess. I just felt like, we'd hit bottom. It's not one you probably want to take a lot, but I felt good about this, and it came out pretty good for me. I got out of the top of it when it closed outside the Bollinger Bands, by the way. For those of you who have been watching my videos, we've been having ongoing discussions. Sometimes the Bollinger Bands have been excellent exit points, other times they haven't. So today they were fairly good. This is a little dinky trade here, and I was out just at 2 points. I kind of it was the last trade of the day. I don't know. I just didn't. it ended up being the right decision, but it wasn't consciously the right decision. I was up a couple, and I thought that's enough, and I took my money and ran. But again, you can see here we're in a slight uptrend with retracements. We got a downtrend with some retracement, an uptrend with some retracement, and that was kind of the theme of the day. To call it, a trend is, that's probably pressing the window a little bit. There was at least a lot of directional movement, and you wanted to trade in the direction of the directional movement today. It's really important to note that, and that was a strategy that worked pretty well. There were a couple. I was using the NYSE tick quite a bit today too. Kept me, in the game pretty good. Well, as you can see, it was a pretty active day for trading. The signals were pretty clear. I thought it had to stay in the trend, and some of the trend, it's sometimes hard to determine. That some of the trends were fairly short, but at least they just stay trading in the direction the market was moving. We want you to come visit our site. It's at learntotradeandinvest.com with a whole bunch of hyphens in there. We're a program designed for beginners, and right now I'm doing a lot of mentoring, really enjoying talking with everybody. Look forward to some of the success these traders are going to have, and all in all, having a good time. So hope that helps. Have a great day. See you later.